Hey, what's going on, guys? So today what we're going to be doing is installing some new spark plugs, getting ready for E85. I've already done an install video, so just go back in my videos if you haven't seen it yet and go ahead and check it out. But what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at the spark plugs that are in the car and see how they're doing. I've had the spark plugs in for just over 20,000 miles. And I think on a stage 2 tune, it's only suggested to be in there for like 15 before you should replace them. What I did notice is I have like a misfire on idle sometimes. It doesn't come up as a check engine light, doesn't come up as a code. As soon as I start driving, it goes away. As soon as I get on the gas, it goes away. So I think it's just getting a weak spark, which means we should definitely change it out and drop these new ones in and get ready for this E85 tune. So let's check them out. So I've stripped down the engine already. It took me like, I think maybe half an hour, maybe. Pretty straightforward. It's just a lot of unscrewing bolts and shit. Just making sure you have the proper tools, of course. And I pulled out my first spark plug, and this is what it looks like. So I'm not too sure if that's good or bad or worn out or healthy worn out or like fucking completely shot or what. I'm not too sure. I'm not a spark plug expert, but I'll go ahead and look at some pictures online to determine, you know, if mine were good or not. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and swap these in for the same plugs. Basically, they're, where are they at? Where are my plugs at? Ah, I got them. NGK Laser Iridium, and these are 97506. These are the ones that are suggested by all the tuners. So Kerry, the label guy, Kerry Jordan, and Paul Johnson will both be pointing you guys in this direction. I've talked to both of them in the past, and both of them want you running these type of plugs for E85. So let's go ahead and drop these bad boys in. So before my camera dies, I'm gonna teach you guys how to gap spark plugs real quick. It's gonna be a little difficult with one hand. So you never want to touch that white part right there. That's your ceramic. You don't want to touch that. This is a gapper. They have better tools for platinum plugs that you can buy, but I just picked this up for $2 at Amazon. And what the tuners are suggesting is that I do a gap of 0.021. So one notch above the minimum, the lowest setting on this gapper. Alright, so here's how you're going to do this. You got your gapper, alright, and we're going to check to see if it's at 2.1 just like that. Slide it in, and if it stops at 2.1, that's when we know we're good. If not, we need to go ahead and close this gap. And all you do is you put the head of the spark plug on the back of this and just push down. Gently apply pressure, and what you're going to do is you're going to apply a constant pressure, but you're not going to just like jam it in there. You want to take your time and slowly apply, and then check. Slowly apply, and check. If you go too far, then you go to the opener right here. This is the opener. You slide that end in, and kind of like a can opener, you kind of pry it open. But you need to be careful because the platinum tips, the platinum spark plugs are a lot more fragile, and they're also a lot more expensive. So you can bust off the head right here, and I already did that to one of them. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but right here, it's already cracked. So this one's done. So yeah, just be careful, guys, when you're gapping your plugs. Okay, here we are. Alright, so no check engine light, which is good. It means we didn't misfire right off the bat. Car seems fine. So keep myself clean, I swear. Every video I work on the car. If you guys have any questions about gapping the plugs or anything at all with the vehicle itself, just drop it in the comment section. I'll get back to it. So just a recap on that job. It took me about 2 hours to complete. So from 11:30 to 1:30. Pretty straightforward, like I said. All you do is just unscrew a bunch of bolts to get there. Just basic breakdown. Hey guys. So I was gonna end the video before, but I forgot to go out and take it on a drive to see how it does. And you know, I put 20,000 miles on those spark plugs on a stage 2 tune, so they were pretty beat. And now with these new ones in here, the car pulls so much harder. It's crazy what spark plugs will do for you. It just pulls and pulls and pulls. I mean, it's not like a crazy difference, but you notice it. Check in and let you guys know about you know, how the car felt after the spark plugs got installed. So keep tuned, guys. I got something very special coming up. Obviously the reason why I got the spark plugs was for a full E85 tune. I'm going to be using Paul Johnson, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the process of what I went through to contact him, and you know, how easy everything is going. So hopefully tonight is the night that I'll be running full E85. So I'm going to go hang out with some friends right now, and then on my way home I'll make sure I get in contact with them so we can set this E85 tune up. Thanks for watching, guys.